Are you looking for the best drones for kids? In this video we will look at some of the best drones for kids the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. DJI Mavic 2 Pro is the best drone for filmmaking. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro has 1-inch CMOS 20MP which can capture high-quality 4K resolution up to 60 frames per second. The 100 megabits per second and the 10-bit log-M color profile deliver a clean image with beautiful colors and a high dynamic range. The adjustable aperture is a great improvement which has a shutter speed double the frame rate you are recording. The adjustable aperture is able to control the exposure you get that cinematic look. The Mavic 2 line of drones has obstacle avoidance sensors making them the safest in the sky. This drone is ideal for filmmaking because of its 18 km video transmission range. It can monitor a vast region and is dependable for professional use. The drone is equipped with 4 sensors that have stability in use, ensuring no crashes or damage. The 1/2.3 CMOS camera with 12 million pixels. This drone has a 3,850 mAh battery and 907 g-weight which makes it the best drone for shoots. The drone has a longer flight time, range, and a speed of 45 miles per hour making it best for cinematography as it suits aerial photography. Easy to play, -1 key taking off/landing and auto hovering function enable this mini drone to take off easily and hover at its current height. Friendly for kids and beginners to control the drone with the throttle stick. 3 battery for more fun time. Come with 3 drone batteries. This micro drone aims to extend your fun flight time up to 15 to 18 minutes. Enjoy more fun time with your kids or friends. Headless mode, won't lose direction. You can fly the drone without worrying about what direction it is facing. Number 2. Parrot Anify. The Parrot Anify is the best choice when it comes to the best drones for beginners, which are the finest drone for filmmaking on a budget with video features in a light and compact drone. The Sony optical sensors have stabilized on 5 axes mechanical axes and 3 electronic axes, allowing quality photos to be with drone flights. The camera's 3x zoom and 180 degrees tilt provide an image of the detected target. The Parrot Anify is folding, light, and quick and takes a few seconds to capture. The 4K Cinema 40962160 24 frames per second and 4K UHD 38402160 24/25/30 fps have a recording mode and employs high-resolution 21MP sensors that enable sharp and digital zoom in the video making them the best drones for filmmaking. The battery can be recharged in 1.5 hours, has a USB-C cable and has 25-minute battery life. The tilt feature is another amazing feature allowing filmmakers to produce unusual shots that have a versatile device for aerial cinematography shot. The Anify 1/2.4-foot 20MP CMOS sensor allows capturing of 4K HDR films with maximum quality 3840 by 2160 pixels which have 60 frames per second. The pixels boast high sensitivity which is beneficial in low-light scenes. The quadcopter has 21 high-performance cores for image processing and 4 vision sensors that allow it to fly at 34 miles per hour speed. This drone has a compact bag and a flying time of 25 minutes to record aerial films and photographs. The Parrot Anify is a drone with a 4 km range that is suitable for anyone who captures amazing aerial footage as it can fly for 25 minutes. These characteristics can make it the best drone for aerial filmmaking. Number 3. DJI Inspire 2. The DJI Inspire 2 is a game changer and is the world's first filmmaking drone to make an HD video transmission system, 360 degrees rotating gimbal, and 4K camera with smartphone control simplicity. The Zenmuse X7 camera has an image processing system. Concord 2.0 has improved to CineCore 2.1, has 6K Cinema DNG/RAW and 5.2K in Apple ProRes. The 0 to 50 miles per hour in about 5 seconds, reaching a top speed of 58 miles per hour and 9 meters per second speed. The X4S has a twin battery system that extends the flying time to 27 minutes. The self-heating technology allows it to fly in cold climates. The flight autonomy has been redesigned for allowing obstacle avoidance in 2 directions as well as sensor redundancy. The Intelligent Flight Mode Spotlight Pro has increased GPS intelligence, single pilots to generate complex, dramatic images. The upgraded video transmission system has a dual signal frequency and dual-channel streaming footage. The DJI Inspire 2 is a high-end consumer drone that will suit the needs of filmmakers. Number 4. Auto Robotics Evo 2 Pro. The Autol's Evo 2 Pro 6K drone has a gimbal camera with a variable aperture of f/2.8 to f/11, allowing a little amount of light to enter the 6K one sensor. The camera can shoot video at ISOs up to 6,400 and images up to 12,800. The 6K gimbal can shoot video up to 5472 by 3076 pixels. The high-end specs and capabilities make the cinematography and photography make the Evo 2 drone a good choice. The 7,100 mAh battery helps in flying for 40 minutes at 44.8 miles per hour in ludicrous speed mode, and HD footage can be transmitted from 5.6 miles away to the controller's 3.3 OLED screen. The Evo 2 has 12 sensors, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system, a dual processor, and AI machine learning to navigate the surroundings. The 6K color-accurate footage and ability to program make smooth videos. The Auto Robotics Evo 2 series has 3 models: Evo 2, Evo 2 Dual, and Evo 2 Pro. The Auto Robotics has a 1-inch CMOS 20MP sensor and has an adjustable aperture of f/2.8 f/11. The 10-bit log color modes help in great flexibility in post-production as it retains rich detail in shadows and highlights. The 4K HDR has enhanced contrast and color. The video resolution of 6K is pretty and has 4K scaling. User-friendly, one-key takeoff/landing and altitude hold and headless mode. With a short press of the one-key takeoff button, the drone will take off and hover at a certain height, which allows you to release the throttle stick and the drone will keep hovers at its current height. The headless mode will help the pilots at any level fly and operate the drone easily. More fun with 24 minutes flight time. The package contains 3 batteries, which guarantees 24 minutes of flight time. And the drone can do 360-degree circle and fly at high speeds, offering you a special and exciting feeling. Mini and portable HT02 can be stored in its transmitter and it's super easily to carry with. The size of the drone is 70 by 48 by 35 mm. Free your bag to its limits because RC drone has never been so easy to carry with. Number 5. Unique Typhoon H3. The Unique is technologically designed for photographers and videographers who want to experience the world with a new perspective. This is the best drone for professional filmmakers. The high-quality materials and the execution of flight with one CMOS camera sensor, the drone is durable. The Typhoon H3 provides a smart and well-coordinated system with a new iON L1 Pro camera with user-defined image mode, focus settings, and lossless digital zoom. The iON L1 Pro is the camera that makes the camera more exposed for automatic image modifications. The Typhoon H3 are well matched, allows to extremely detailed, stunning photos from the air with panoramic photos with 360-degree rotation.